With the issues of thinking and the converse brainlessness as it relates to sports performances still on the front burner, I want to look this evening at the difference in the level of cerebral application or thinking needed to execute in one sport compared to some others. And right off the bat, we can tell you that of all the major sports, cricket and especially batsmanship carries the most cerebral demands. The nuances of constructing an innings, session by session, hour by hour, over by over, ball by ball, adjustments that a batsman has to make in response to the state of the game, the bowler's guile and skill set, pitch conditions, outfield conditions, the field placings, direction of the wind, all these variables and more come into play for a batsman when deciding which shot to play or not to play to each delivery. Football, by comparison, is a simpler and less cerebrally demanding game. When a player makes a dribble or a pass or shoots at goal, those actions are generally more instinctive based on the relatively fewer variables to consider and the faster pace of the game. Same for a game like basketball. Many split-second decisions based on what the moment dictates. Batting by nature and by design is laced with more technicalities and thus is the most difficult to execute. And that is the truth. What about that?